And away. And the first of the Athletics Australia Cup events, and the favourite for this, no doubt, Tamsin Lewis, 4 times national champion, 11 times 800 metres champion, world indoor 800 metre champion, and Monique Williams, who's striding beautifully down the back straight, the defending Australian champion from New Zealand, with the blonde hair and the black outfit, being shadowed straight through there by Tamsin Lewis on the inside of her, and also by Caitlin Pincott of Queensland on the outside. Coming around the back bend, and Monique Williams holding her form beautifully, striding out, leading by a couple of metres to Tamsin Lewis on her inside. She's got the advantage of the stagger here. She's very strong out of the closing stages, so it's a battle between Lewis on the inside and Williams on the outside. Caitlin Pincott coming into calculations on the outside of them, but the strength of Tamsin Lewis shows, and she comes down to the finish line and she wins it.
Very good.
Victoria again, so 3 Victoria victories. Monique Williams of New Zealand gets second, Caitlin Pincott.